Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about the units of measuring digital information. First, there are two units to be considered. The first one is bit, the second one is byte. Okay, the bit is the smallest unit used to measure data in computing, and also lowercase b represents a bit in computing. Here is one of the important points. A bit can hold only one of two values, mostly either 0 or 1. Okay, now let's move into the byte. The byte is the fundamental unit of storage measurement, and also uppercase B represents a byte in computing. Now try to remember these points. 8 bits are equal to 1 byte. 8 bits are equal to 1 byte. 1 byte. In other words, a byte is a collection of 8 bits. And also, a byte contains enough space to store a single character in a text file. The size would be a byte, 1 byte. Okay, now let's move into the next one, that is kilobyte. Now it's 1024 bytes are equal to 1 kilobyte. That means if you have a text file which includes around 1024 characters, the size of the text file would be 1 KB. Okay, now let's move into the next one, that is megabyte. Now it's 1024 kilobytes are equal to 1 MB. Okay, the next one is gigabyte. Now it's 1024 megabytes are equal to 1 GB, 1 gigabyte. Now you can see there is a pattern here. Okay, let's do another one. The next one is terabyte. Now it's 1024 gigabytes are equal to 1 TB. Okay. Finally, if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more about this topic, if you want to learn more about the other units, do check out the full article in our website. There is a link in the description. Okay, until next time, goodbye and God bless.